Yo, what's up guys, how you doing, and welcome to my video of my unpackaging of this parcel that I got today. This is my third package I've got and it's my third day. So basically I'm assuming that I'll be getting each item each day because that's what's been happening. Like I said, today's my third day of getting the third package, so tomorrow I know that I'll definitely get some more. Because as I said in my previous videos, I've been ordering a lot of things. I've been bidding and stuff, just random, well, not really random things, but things that I like. I'll be doing some games as well, because I have shitloads of games. If you watch my other videos, then you'll know my games collection. Anyway, without further delay, let's begin. As you all know, like I said, my address is on this side. Keep it covered. Right, let's begin. Okay, right, that goes over there, and look, it's another bag. I'm a bit of a bag addict. I love bags. My mum says that I should have been born a girl, so because I have a lot of shoes and stuff, and I'm also kind of obsessed with the color red and also grey. I don't know why. It just kind of baffles me. But you know what? Grey is not actually my favorite color. It's actually red. Yeah, and pink apparently. Because I have a few pink stuff, but that doesn't make me gay, right? But I mean, I don't have anything against gay people. Anyway, let's begin. So yeah, it's a grey bag, and look, it's Calvin Klein. Oops, I don't know if you guys can see that. I can't see it from here. There we go. Look, Calvin Klein. I got this in a bid. £11. Again, it's free postage and packaging. Yeah. So basically, I didn't pay for post. I just paid for this. £11. Good bargain. A very good bargain, especially when it's like a designer name like this. You know? But yeah, it's a bag that you would like carry with you. I don't know if you go away for a weekend or something. It's more like a weekend bag. And for someone like me that goes to work, I always carry a bag with me. I carry one of those messenger bags, one of those square ones, or rectangular bags, record bags or messenger bags, as some people like to call them, or majority of people like to call them. But I always carry a bag with me because I like to keep my things in there. I don't like to keep things in my pocket because they bulge out, and I don't like that. And also I have a habit as well for carrying bags, and also I'm a bag lover as well, right? So hence why I got this bag. That's 3 bags in a row. I've ordered quite a lot of other things as well, but you know, some gadgets and stuff, and some games as well. But anyway, as you can see, it's a 2-handle. The handle is black. This strap is grey, light grey. It's a very good size. It's got 2 compartments, so as you can see, look, there's this one here, right? That's on the side. Oh, look at that. Wow, it's a new smell, right? It's very spacious. It's just to keep whatever things in there on the side. Then you got the main compartment here. Very spacious. Look at that. It's very big. It's like I said, if you go to friends for a few days or something, this is an ideal bag. You go to work, you carry it with you. You carry, you know, like a strap and stuff like that. Look, you see how cool is that? Or if you're more of a handle person, you just carry it like that, and you walk along, leave that hanging, and just, yeah. But it's very good. It's mostly, like I said, it's more of a travel bag, or if you go to work or something like that, then carry it with you. But yeah, and that's it, guys. That's the end of my unpackaging. Please be sure to check out my links down below. Leave a like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. And also be sure to check out my other video contents. Until next time, guys, peace.